Grade 10 subject science common slate sodium hydroxide bleaching powder baking soda washing soda. Definition of slate is chemistry substance produced by the reaction of an acid with a base. Example: sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, ammonium chloride. Sodium hydroxide NaOH. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes from sodium hydroxide. The process is called the chlor-alkali process because of the product from chlor for chlorine and alkali from sodium hydroxide. Bleaching powder CaOH2 plus Cl2 generated by CaOCl2 plus H2. You have already come to know that chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of the bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slag line. Bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2. Though the actual composition is quite complex. Baking soda. The baking soda is commonly used in kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras etc. Sometimes it is added for fast cooking. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw materials. Washing soda. Another chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride is Na2CO3.10H2O. You have seen above that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic slate.